How to use Facebook monetization tools. To use the Facebook monetization tools, first of all, you have to launch the Facebook application on your device and turn your page or profile into professional profile. Simply tap on your profile icon on the top right corner, tap on the three-dotted menu icon on the top right once again. From here, you simply have to tap on this turn on pro mode option, then proceed to update your profile by tapping on this option. Once your page or your profile is turned into pro mode, all you have to do is now view the tools option right below your profile header. Scroll down to the tool section, then tap the monetization. From there, you can choose and unlock your monetization stream. You can get stars, you can also set ads on your reels and in-stream ads as well. You can also get performance bonus programs, and you can also add subscriptions for your viewers. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.